everyone, it's Ed Runner and DIY Detailer here. Just a very brief video, sort of a flash update video. Got a neat little package turned up from Ikea today. Been looking for some caddies for the side of my wash buckets for a little while, and these things I found online were 50p each, plus a fee for delivery, whatever. They've turned up today. I've gone for two different colours, one for my wheels bucket and one for my normal wash bucket. I'm going to show you unboxing and fitting them to my typical wash bucket and show you that you'll be able to see the dimensions of them and see what a typical brush looks like sat in it. I don't think they're quite deep enough and there are no drain holes in the bottom, so see what you think. It's just a very quick video just so that if you're umming and ahhing as to trying to visualise what these things might be, for 50p they're well worth it. They're a nice handy organiser. Might get a couple more, but I will modify these. I will put drain holes in the bottom, and I might put some larger holes to drop some of the wands through from some of the wheel woolies. Okay, hope you enjoy the video.